Okay, travel day at the airport. Look at all our luggage. Okay, our travel day. Today we are now in Amsterdam after flying an ungodly number of hours. Okay, we're in the market square in Bruges today. Beautiful. Check out all these horses. Okay, we're in Vigo, Spain today. There's our group over there. Oh, yeah. Marina, there's our ship. This has been quite a walk to get up here, and we're not even to the top yet. Still climbing. We're in Valencia, and it's raining.
Raining real hard.
Oh, I just stepped in another puddle. Hey, Todd here. So, started this vacation not knowing what gear to bring with me, trying to decide travel light, bring more gear, shoot more stuff, and totally made the decision to travel light. GoPro Hero 10, my iPhone 13 Pro, and my Canon G5X. And started this journey in Amsterdam, then hopped on a cruise ship. We were on that for 10 days. Now we're in Barcelona. I love Barcelona, and but I'm super glad that I've just traveled with the light gear. Didn't bring any lenses, all that other crap to have to lug around with me. And yeah, I just saw some guys shooting a job back, a little fashion shoot back there. Kind of nice to see somebody else working when I'm not, and that was cool. But anyway, yeah, the traveling with minimal gear on this family vacation is good. That way I don't have to stop everybody to do some shots, and I'm not shooting stock or anything like that while I'm traveling. Just having fun with the family. It's been a great trip. Got a couple more days in Barcelona to hang out, and then back to the studio. But yeah, traveling light, best thing I did, and I'm out till back to the studio. All right, so back home in the studio. Vacation was awesome, but it's always nice to be back home, and to have a job, Nike job waiting for me is always a good thing too. But as you saw in the footage, I traveled light, didn't bring any R5, any lenses, just the GoPro Hero 10, an extra mic that you can put on the GoPro Hero 10 now with this media mod I brought with me, which has an HDMI out on the back, and you can put in an external mic, which was a waste to bring. I never used it. But you can plug that in there now, and you can charge this thing from the back, which is great. Brought my iPhone 13 Pro and the Canon I always want to say GX5, but it's the G5X. Didn't even use this thing. I brought it with me, shot 2 pictures with it, and that was it. Used the iPhone. Everything you see still-wise shots, well, there's a couple, I think, on there that I shot with the GoPro, which was nice, but just used my iPhone and a great little app called Hipstamatic to kind of play around with the photos a little bit. This was purely a vacation, not shooting any stock, so bringing just the minimal gear was, like I said before, was just awesome. Just having just light gear with me. The GoPro 10, yeah, with the media mod on here and the light mod, had like that, and the gorillaPod thing here. The one thing I don't like about this media mod is the changing of battery. You have to undo the screw down here. They give you a little indent right there to help get this thing off of here, but it still takes just a fair amount of time. You can charge it USB-C on the back with this on, but when you're out and about, and I've got extra batteries I carry with me, so that's good, but you have to remember, so many times I tried to take this thing off without putting these little guys down, and it won't come off, and you need to pop the little light off as well. But then it just opens right up, and you can slide it in and out, and you got your battery right there and your card, and then it just slides right back in. But having to undo it all and remember these, that's the only thing I don't like about this thing. I shot everything in the video that you see, all the footage. I didn't adjust color, I didn't do anything. This was just raw, not raw, but just whatever normal out of the camera, out of the GoPro, which was really good. And the mic, I thought, was really nice. Sounded good. You can have it come out the back as well. I never did adjust that, just kept it pretty much all on auto. I wasn't trying to finesse anything because it was with the family, my kids, and my wife, and we were just having a good time, and I wasn't really stopping down to do any serious type of shooting or anything. But it's great, you know, I did slow motion, time warp, time lapse. The GoPro Hero 10 I really think is a great little vacation camera. And with this media mod on here, it's not a bad vlogging camera either, I think. It's something I'll probably keep with me all the time, just as, you know, in a backpack or in my car or something. I normally keep this guy with me all the time, and I think he just got replaced by the GoPro Hero 10 here. I probably won't try the 11 yet. I usually don't upgrade these until there's like 2 models changes. So what, 4, 7, 10, you know, then I'll go 13 or 14, I don't know, or some other different one, I don't know. But for now, this thing's really great. The footage looks good. The sound, I think, is okay for just being on this little mic. It worked really good. And yeah, so you know, if you're going on vacation with your family, I highly recommend just bringing a little bit of gear that you can carry in an over-the-shoulder little bag or something, fanny pack, something light, and just, you know, if you're not looking to shoot any stock or anything like that or any fancy photos, because, you know, when you get down to it, who really looks at these things a month after you're done or whatever? So it's just kind of a thing to have for memories, and, you know, unless you're out there really trying to get some stuff for stock or something, traveling light gear, like I said earlier, it was the best thing I could have ever done. No big backpacks full of crap and stuff that I have to deal with on a daily basis. And so when I'm traveling with the family and just having fun, it just bringing light equipment is the way to go. So that's kind of my thoughts on traveling on vacation with your family, gear, what to bring. I say bring your iPhone, bring a GoPro or one of the new 360s or a DJI one, something small that you can just quickly shoot with, and then you're done. Just put it in your pocket or your coat or whatever. I think it's the best way to go. At least it was for me. We had a great vacation. It's good to be back and have work to do, which I need to get back to right now and finishing that up, get started on that job. So until next time, I'm out.